Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening the Paytm app and going straight to loans. This saves time. Tap Personal Loan and see if you have a pre-approved offer. This determines fast approval. Make sure your Aadhaar and PAN are linked to your account and your bank account and mobile are active. Once done, note the offered amount, tenure options, and interest rate. You proceed only if numbers fit your needs. Otherwise, adjust tenure or skip additional add-ons to lower EMI before moving on to apply. You now fill the detailed application. Input income, employment type, and monthly salary or business turnover so Paytm can underwrite you. Upload KYC, Aadhaar, PAN, and a canceled check or recent bank statement for account verification. Make sure images are clear to avoid rejection. Next, choose loan amount and tenure while watching EMI impact. Shorter tenure equals higher EMI but less total interest. Once set, pick an EMI debit date and consider enabling autopay to prevent missed payment. You finish by carefully reviewing the loan schedule, total payable, and any processing fees, then complete the e-sign process to submit. If approved instantly, funds are disbursed via NEFT or UPI. Check your bank within a few hours to 3 days depending on verification. If you face delays or rejection, make sure your KYC images are clear, your credit score meets minimums, and your bank details match. Then correct errors and reapply. Finally, set reminders to pay EMIs on time to protect your credit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.